So you've seen a traditional manual typewriter where the hammers come out and hit. This is an Oliver, and they designed this one where the hammer is supported on both sides and comes straight down on the paper. Whap! Just like that. It is a beautiful little old machine. I'm gonna get it cleaned up and oiled up, and maybe we can do some typing on it. But yeah, this is a Oliver number 3, and you can see a very different style of hammer than your traditional manual typewriter. Just as a comparison, so eventually they didn't do it this way because this is a little bit more complex. You see you got a lot of linkage here, and that evolved into the more standard and more efficient hammer that strikes this way. But these are really cool, and it does have its own virtues as a writing implement. History, folks.